Welcome to everybody.
We're at the third annual minimally invasive pediatric neurosurgery course here at Lurie Children's Hospital and Northwestern Medicine, where we instruct the attendees on different pediatric neurosurgical techniques.
It really is a way to do better by your patients and get better outcomes.
We talk about minimally invasive approaches and also pathology and disease states that are specific to pediatrics. It's a unique course. There's really nothing else currently available like it.
You're just trying to isolate those and take those out.
We host the first day of the course at the Brain Lab facility, which is right by the Chicago River. We have interactive lectures and case presentations on the first day of our course, followed by a cadaver lab in the simulation center at Northwestern. We have a beautiful facility with microscopes, endoscopes, navigation systems provided by Brain Lab.
And then the correct plexus will be retracting and move forward.
We also have a variety of pediatric models that were provided for us for endoscopic third ventriculostomy, biopsies, as well as craniosynostosis.
You don't want to injure those veins at that location.
We'll also have lectures after the course today in the simulation lab, where our faculty will share more case discussions and different technique approaches.
See here, I see the bulge of the tumor.
The third day of the course, we'll be back at the Wrigley building and the Brain Lab offices for additional presentations on fetoscopic spina bifida surgery, minimally invasive functional neurosurgical procedures, as well as some additional models and endoscopes specifically focusing on endoscopic lavage for premature intraventricular hemorrhage. I think at the end of the day, we want the applicants to not only learn different minimally invasive procedures, we want them to be exposed to flexible neuroendoscopy. We also want them to be able to network and meet some luminaries in the field who are here this weekend to teach the course. And we also want to get people excited about pediatric neurosurgery. Our goal, our hope is that we are pushing the envelope in pediatric neurosurgery, do things more minimally invasive and offer additional options to patients, and also teach our techniques to trainees and other attendings who might not have had an opportunity to learn those things before.